Let's unbox this massive yellow excavator. The metal detailing on this bucket and boom is incredible. The mechanical movements feel incredibly heavy and realistic. This is the ultimate RC machine. Let's unbox this premium RC excavator. Full metal bucket and heavy-duty tracks. Time for a real strength test. Look at that incredible digging power. Rotating 90 degrees to dump the load. This machine is a...
Let's unbox this beast. Full metal tracks and bucket. It drives and rotates realistically. Strong boom and arm functions. Real digging power in hard soil. Loads of power and perfect scale.